let's go to the garden and draw a colorful butterfly. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Art Journey channel. Today we're going to have so much fun drawing a beautiful butterfly. It's going to be easy and super colorful, perfect for artists of all ages. Materials: a piece of paper, a pencil, to sketch our butterfly first, crayons, markers, or colored pencils to make our butterfly super colorful, an eraser in case we make any mistakes. But remember, mistakes are just happy accidents in art. Let's draw the body. First, let's draw the body of our butterfly. We can make a big oval shape in the middle of our paper. This will be the butterfly's body where its wings will connect. Time for the wings. Now, for the fun part, the wings. We can draw two big circles on top of the oval, one on each side. These will be our butterfly's beautiful wings. Let's make them pretty. Our butterfly needs some pretty patterns on its wings. We can draw lines inside the circles to create sections for different colors. Let's draw some wavy lines, and maybe some squiggly lines too. Don't forget the antennae. Every butterfly needs antennae. We can draw two little lines coming out from the top of the oval, right above the body. Time to color! Now comes the best part, coloring. We can use any colors we like for our butterfly's wings. Maybe we can use red, yellow, blue, and purple, or any other colors that make you happy. Show off your artwork. Look how amazing your butterfly looks. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to draw a butterfly. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Thanks for joining me on this art journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing lessons.